welcome everybody to this new tutorial video. As you can see, we're gonna work with these beautiful flowers of DecoFresh today, and they asked me to make a choice. But I'm not going to, I'm gonna use them all. So, wow, feeling like a kid in a candy store. So DecoFresh has this really beautiful special varieties. So I'm really happy to work with these. But first, we have to make the base. As you can see, I have a nice wooden board and I prepared these little rounds. So I have an idea where to make the holes. Time to continue with the next phase, and that's rolling around some of this wire around the iron pens. So now it's time to place all these glass tubes on the wires, and we also do that with the same color of wire. Make it double, and then just a few times. Because it's Valentine's Day soon, I want to make like a strangled love design. So I'm gonna show the strangling love also with these details of braiding. It's time to place in iron pins with the glass tubes. So when placing the tubes in the wooden piece, you also look at the heights as well as looking at the decoration. So these braids are looking really cool for this design, but they also give a little bit more strength to the tubes. Time to place the water in the tubes. So now it's time to place in these beautiful flowers, and roses are going really well with flower food. So in this bottle, I already mixed the flower food in. When this is finished, I think it turned out really cool with all these different colors and these beautiful roses in this construction. And see you again in another video. Bye bye.